Money Management, a comprehensive guide for beginners. Hello, Money Matters family. Welcome back to Money Matters Guide, your ultimate destination for mastering the art of personal finance. Today we have a special treat for all the beginners out there, a deep dive into the world of money management. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to level up your skills, this video is for you. But before we jump in, make sure you're subscribed to Money Matters Guide, so you never miss out on our valuable money tips. Let's get started. The basics of money management. Money management is the foundation of financial success. It's about making smart choices with your money to achieve your short-term and long-term goals. Let's begin with the basics. 1. Setting financial goals. The first step in money management is setting clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for an emergency fund, buying a home, or planning for retirement, having specific goals gives your money a purpose. 2. Creating a budget. Next up, creating a budget. A budget is like a roadmap for your money. It helps you track your income, allocate funds to different categories, and ensures you're living within your means. There are various budgeting methods, so find one that suits your lifestyle. 3. Emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is a crucial aspect of money management. This fund acts as a financial safety net, covering unexpected expenses and preventing you from going into debt. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. 4. Debt management. If you have outstanding debts, it's time to tackle them strategically. Create a plan to pay off high-interest debts first while making minimum payments on others. This approach can save you money on interest in the long run. Smart spending habits. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore some practical tips for smart spending. 5. Differentiating needs versus wants. It's crucial to differentiate between needs and wants. Needs are essential for survival, while wants are desires that can be delayed or avoided. Prioritize spending on needs and be mindful of your wants to avoid unnecessary expenses. 6. Comparison shopping. Before making a purchase, practice comparison shopping. Check prices from different retailers, both online and offline, to ensure you are getting the best deal. This applies to everything from groceries to big-ticket items. 7. Meal planning. Meal planning is a fantastic way to save money on food expenses. Plan your meals for the week, create a shopping list, and stick to it. This not only prevents impulse purchases but also reduces food waste. 8. Building a shopping list. Always go shopping with a list. This simple practice can help you stay focused on what you need and avoid unnecessary purchases. Stick to the list as closely as possible to stay within your budget. 9. Taking advantage of discounts and coupons. Don't shy away from discounts and coupons. Whether it's in-store promotions or digital coupons, these small savings can add up over time. Apps and websites often offer great deals, so be sure to explore them. Saving and investing for beginners. Now, let's shift our focus to the importance of saving and investing, even if you're just starting out. 10. Start small with saving. You don't need a large income to start saving. Begin by setting aside a small percentage of your income each month. Over time, you can increase this amount as your income grows. 11. The power of compound interest. Understanding the power of compound interest is key to building wealth. Start investing early to take advantage of compounding, which allows your money to grow exponentially over time. 12. Explore different investment options. There are various investment options for beginners, such as employer-sponsored retirement accounts, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and low-cost index funds. Do your research and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. 13. Diversification. Diversification is a crucial principle in investing. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. This way, if one investment performs poorly, others may offset the losses. 14. Stay informed. Stay informed about the financial markets and economic trends. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions about your investments. Follow reputable financial news sources and consider seeking advice from financial professionals. Building a strong financial foundation. As we wrap up, let's talk about building a strong financial foundation for long-term success. 15. Continual learning. Financial education is a lifelong journey. Stay curious and continue learning about personal finance. There are countless books, podcasts, and online resources that can expand your knowledge and help you make better financial decisions. 16. Insurance and protection. Protect your financial future by having the right insurance coverage. Whether it's health insurance, life insurance, or property insurance, having adequate coverage ensures you're prepared for unexpected events. 17. Regularly review and adjust. Financial circumstances change, and so should your financial plan. Regularly review your budget, goals, and investment strategy. Make adjustments as needed to stay on track and adapt to life's changes. And there you have it, Money Matters Family, a comprehensive guide to money management for beginners. Remember, mastering your finances is a journey, not a destination. By implementing these tips, you are laying the groundwork for a secure financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to Money Matters Guide for more valuable content. As always, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, this is your friend signing off. Stay financially savvy, and take care.